Hi everyone! Today I'm making delicious sheet pan Greek chicken, marinated with fresh lemon zest and juice, then roasted with potatoes, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese. As always, you can find the complete list of ingredients in the description below. Welcome to Cooking Show at Home. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you! First, I'll finely grate the zest from 2 medium lemons. Then, using a lemon press, I'll squeeze the juice from both lemons into a large bowl containing about 3 pounds or 8 to 9 pieces of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Now I'll add the lemon zest. Next, I'll finely chop about half a cup of fresh parsley and add it to the chicken. Then I'll season everything with 1 teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, and 2 teaspoons of dried oregano. The combination of oregano and fresh lemon will give the chicken its distinctive Greek flavor. Now I'll toss everything together well, making sure to rub some of the marinade underneath the chicken skin. This will help the flavor penetrate the meat and keep the chicken juicy while it cooks. I'll set the chicken aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. If you plan to marinate it for longer, place it in the refrigerator. While the chicken is marinating, I'll prepare the vegetables. I'll cut 6 medium potatoes and 1 medium red onion into pieces approximately 1 to 1.5 inches in size. Next, I'll crush and peel 6 cloves of garlic. I'll add the potatoes, onion, and garlic to the bowl with the marinated chicken. I'm not going to toss everything again because I want to keep most of the marinade on the chicken. Now I'll preheat the oven to 380 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll arrange the chicken thighs, potatoes, onion, and garlic in a single, even layer on a large rimmed baking sheet. Make sure the chicken pieces are positioned skin side up so the skin becomes beautifully browned and crispy. On top, I'll add about 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, half a cup of pitted Kalamata olives, and approximately 4 ounces of feta cheese broken into large crumbles. I'll place the baking sheet into the preheated oven and roast everything for approximately 1 hour or until the potatoes are tender and the chicken is completely cooked. The chicken should reach an internal temperature of at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit when measured in the thickest part without touching the bone. And that's it! My sheet pan Greek chicken with potatoes, tomatoes, Kalamata olives, and feta cheese is ready. The chicken is juicy and full of bright lemon and oregano flavor. The potatoes are tender, the tomatoes are beautifully roasted, and the salty olives and creamy feta bring everything together. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Cooking Show at Home, and I'll see you next time.